So we are talking today about our beautiful banded crystal wall decor pieces. This is a beautiful installation of these all contained within this simple molding to create a very rhythmic kind of presentation of the mirrors up the wall. And that would be a good use for these mirrors, I think, is to find areas in the home where you could do a repetition like that of a certain size and just make it flow for yourself. They come in 4 sizes, and the best way to illustrate the sizes, I believe, are to pick them up and to put them in relationship to each other. So here we have the small and the medium sizes of these mirrors. This is considered the large at 6.5 inches. And then we have the extra large here. It's a very beautiful mirror and a very statement kind of piece of a mirror too. And they hang very easily in this situation from 2 keyholes on the back. On the smaller sizes of the mirrors, they hang on a single keyhole on the back. These are made with canine crystal that is very heavily polished and shaped around the edges to give this really beautiful refracted kind of faceted edge treatment to the crystal. And then the back of the mirror is actually treated with a silvering material that makes a very highly reflective, perfectly pitched mirror surface on the back and behind the beautiful faceted crystal piece. They come in 2 different finishes, and I think you can see the 2 finishes here really, really well. There's a nickel finish and also a brushed brass finish. And so there's a lot of different kind of places that you can put these mirrors in your home, depending on what the metal finish is that you have in a room that you want to try to match or marry up with. So they're in nickel and in brass, and they're all heavily faceted with 2 rows of facets around the outside edge, and then the beautiful clear mirror on the inside, on the back side. Just to give you a little bit more information on the sizes of the mirrors, the extra large is a 12-inch diameter, the large is a 6.5-inch diameter, the medium is a 5.25-inch diameter, and the smallest is a 4.25-inch diameter.